Hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing. And if you're a regular to the channel, you will know that recently we have been extremely busy outdoors running our buggies. But me personally, I do love my on-road racing. Now, this week it has been finalised. There are lots and lots of competitions coming up. EWS, Rug Racers and Carpet Legends dates are all up and available, so there are quite a few events. So I'm really looking forward to getting myself booked in for some of these. So obviously I've got here my Schumacher Vibe FT, my budget entry level fronty, which I ran at the Carpet Legends series. I've got unfinished business with that. I was hoping to get outside with it over the summer. It's not happened as yet because I've been very busy running buggies such as the FTX B4X here, and also my team associated RB10, which I've got over this side. Now, so going back to the dates, I've put them up on the screen here. You can see that with the EWS, there is the international event in December as well. Carpet Legends are going to be doing a full series starting in September, going all the way through to April, and then we've got the then we've got Rug Racers, which are only running their 3 events this year. It's going to be really tough to get into those ones. It books up really quickly. We did it a few years back, and yeah, it was a great event. So some amazing on-road racing to come to the channel. Now then, so far, the outdoor season, obviously I haven't run the FT Vibe just yet, but I did get to run my Tamiya MO3 and MO5 at the first round of the Iconic Cup. Absolutely loved it, and I'm wanting to get back running my minis, which got me thinking, I kind of miss running in the MTC class. Now, when we first started a couple of years ago with the channel, one of the first sort of big competitions we got involved with was the MTC Clubmans, which is then turned into the MTC Nationals, and we were running a sort of, again, a budget, cost-effective car in the carton cars. They were slightly cheaper than the express cars. The technology in that class has really evolved, and I think with the Schumacher Neon, the technology, the components, a little bit more expensive, but the performance in those cars is pretty hot. And I was thinking to myself, do I want to go down that elite route, or should we go back to basics and find ourselves a sort of entry-level club racer? And being big fans of CML, who obviously helps us out with cars such as this, the FTX B4X, and also they distribute Team Associated, they've got another car on their website which I quite like the look of, and that is this one here. Not a brand that I'm familiar with, but I do trust CML. The products that they tend to sort of distribute are high quality. They've got a few different chassis available. Now this one here is the LMX M chassis. 1/10 M chassis car. So what we're going to do is we are going to get in the box and see what we get. So we have got here the LMX M chassis. Wheel length is a 210, so that is the same as the Mini. It would be cool if we could get this set up as a Mini. Now, what do you get in the box? It is in kit form. We have a bag. We have a motor mount, and if we come down here, we have what looks like a carbon fibre chassis. So I'm just going to open this up and take a closer look at what you get. So we have got ourselves a carbon fibre chassis and carbon fibre top deck. Very nice. And if we have a little look in the manual, we've got some really clear instructions as to how to build the car. And then we have over here our bag of bits. Now I can see already that these bags are labelled. So this is bag I, this one here is bag B, and in there we've got a couple of diffs. So we've got 2 diffs there with ball bearings. So this is a fully ball raced car. We've got feels like a metal spur gear in there, running on, looking at it, 48 dp. So this is a M chassis and MTC. I'm going to say it's going to be of a similar quality to maybe the Carton cars. Again, it's a massive pinion there. We've got some adjustable turnbuckles by the looks of things in this bag here. Loads of adjustable turnbuckles. We have got oil-filled shocks. Now looking at those shocks, they're already built, but we have also got here 400 weight shock oil, and we've got 5,000 weight diff oil, and we've got the housing for the diffs and body posts, and it also comes with a set of tyres. Now, here's the thing. I am a big fan of MTC racing, but I'm also a really big fan of my fronties. So in these series, if we think about the Carpet Legends series, I'm definitely going to be running between the Vibe FT and the FT9 on the track. So that leaves Pro Racer Mark without a car. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this MTC to Pro Racer Mark. He's going to get this built up, and then he can join me at the Carpet Legends series this winter and do some indoor MTC racing. I think he's going to love it. So if you're interested to see how Pro Racer Mark gets on with a entry-level MTC, if you want to see more on the Vibe FT and FT9, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell. We've got a lot of things coming up outdoors, but look, already planning and looking forward to the indoor season.